And welcome to today's meteorology segment, a regular feature here at Smash News Network, least busted name in news. And what we're looking at here are the surface winds of the eastern world. We've got some strong winds here off the coast of the Philippines, as well as south of the Kamchatka Peninsula, as well as some troughs of calm conditions here around the western Pacific. Let's take a look at the jet streams, probably the best global scale weather forecasting tool you could get. It's the 250 hectopascal winds here on windy.com, and we do see some jet stream blowing backward here east of the Philippines there in the western Pacific. Jet streams usually go from west to east, and here we've got some going east to west. Also, we've got a doubled up jet stream in the southern hemisphere and very chaotic flows in the northern hemisphere. An explanation for some of your extreme weather, indeed. Here are the jets of the western world. And look at how chaotic the jet streams are in the northern hemisphere. It's creating ridiculously cold temperatures here in eastern Pennsylvania. Doubled up jet streams also in the southern hemisphere, and look at how chaotic it is in the northern Atlantic region. Very chaotic jet stream flows. Here are the surface winds of the western world. Next, I've got a real-time lightning map for you from lightningmaps.org. It's where I go when I hear thunder. And if I wanted to convince the natives that I'm Thor or Odin, it's where I would go. And it looks like we've got some lightning striking here in Texas. North of Hobbs, I think. I saw some strikes there. There we go. Out to the west of Odessa there. So a little bit of lightning, not too extreme. We'll zoom it out to the global lightning map. There you go. There's your global lightning maps, courtesy of blitzachtung.org, lightningmaps.org. Here's your NASA GOES lightning mapper. You can see a strong band of lightning here just south of the Texas stovepipe, slowly moving across Oklahoma here and into Kansas a little bit. Also some strong lightning here off of places like Daytona Beach and the eastern Florida coast and Mexico. Next, windy.com, showing pressure maps. Powerful anticyclone here off the coast of Newfoundland, as the forecast called for yesterday. And we're looking at the European forecast here. We're going to advance this into tomorrow. Here's where the European forecast places pressure cells at 12 noon Eastern Daylight Time on tomorrow, Tuesday, June 1st. Next, the U.S. Doppler radar map. And again, a strong series of storms here, stretching from western Texas all the way up into Kansas, as well as some pretty heavy rains here in northern New England. And most of the precipitation down there in Florida is off the coast. Here's what's going on in the cloud layer. It's the shortwave radiation map in 3.9 nanometer wavelength. And here's the water vapor map. And again, we'll go back to the U.S. Doppler radar map. And the reason these things are moving so slowly is because of the jet stream not providing an impulse. So the jet stream is actually still way up here at this point, folks. And that's why it's not really doing a lot. And these masses of dry, massive air here are not really moving very fast either, not providing much of an impulse to move this low. Also, this air mass is butting up against this dry mass of air. This is high pressure as well, especially comparatively speaking. And here's one more view of the U.S. Doppler radar map and the cloud layer. And the water vapor. That's today's meteorology segment. Thanks for tuning in. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off.